Good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. In your previous class, I explained about the symbols. What is the less than, what is the greater than, and what is the equal. Okay. I explained in previous class, Amma. Let's see on the example on the symbols. Children, this please copy in your classwork, Amma. Now tell me, children. 94, 36. Which one is the big one, Amma? 94 or 36? Tell me, children. Which one is the big one? 94 or 36? 94 is the big number. So you are putting which one, Amma? Less than or greater than? What is the symbol? L for less than. This is kept in your mind. Opening side big and closing side small number. Now what is this symbol? Greater than. Now this side is bigger and small. Okay. Now tell me, here putting which one? Less than or greater than? Big, small. Big, small. So here putting which one, Amma? Greater than. Okay. Now next one, Amma. 49, 63. 49, 63. 49 is a big number or 63 is big number? 63 is the big number. So small, big, small, big, small, big. So here putting less than. Okay. L for less than and another one is the greater than. Okay. Now next one 84, 58. Which one is the big one, Amma? Compare these two numbers. 84 is big or 58 is big? 84 is the big number. So big, small, big, small. So you're putting greater than. Now next 36, 38. Which one is the big one? 38 is the big number. Now less than. Now next 59, 59. These both are equal symbols. 59 and 59. These both are equal symbols. So here putting which one? Less than, greater than or equal. This is indicate equal. Both are equal. So here putting equal. Now next one, Amma. 72 and 27. Which one is a big number, Amma? 72 or 27? 72 is a big number. So big, small. Big, small. Here putting which one? This greater than. Okay. Now next two more is there. 95 and 97. Which one is the big? 97 is a big number. Next 82 and 18. Which one is a big number, Amma? 82 or 18? 82 is a big number. So here putting greater than. We don't know what is the big number, what is the small number in two digits. First, how to compare the two numbers, Amma? This is a 94. This is a 36. We don't know which one is a big. So what you done? What you doing, Amma? Oh, in ones, tens. These both are two numbers. These both are having two-digit numbers. These both are having two-digit numbers. Means these both are having two-digit numbers. Okay. Now we are comparing in tens place. We are comparing in tens place lo numbers. We are comparing. In first number in tens place, which number is there? 9. In second number 3 is there. Now tell me, children, in single digit what is the big, what is the small? We know. Yes, you know. In single number what is the big number, what is the small number, you can know. Now here 9 is there, here 3 is there. Which one is the big? 9 or 3? 9. 9 is the big number. So this in tens 9 is there. This 9 is the big number comparing this 36. So this 94 is the big number. This 94 is the big number. Okay. Now one more, Amma. 49 and 63. These both having two digits. Means 49 lo two digits unnai. One is the 9, one is the 4. In 63 two numbers, two digits are. One is the 3, one is the 6. So we are comparing in which place? In tens place. Last one is the tens place, kada? So we comparing tens place. 6, 4. 6, 4. 6, 4. Which one is the big one? 6 is big or 4 is big? 6 is the big number. So that's why this 63 is the big number. The here putting is a less than. 63 is the big number because you have put a less than. Okay, children, we can understand how to identify what is the big number, what is the small number. First, given numbers having how many digits? 2 digits, a single digit, or 3 digits. We comparing that. After we comparing in tens place in 2 digits, comparing tens place. We are having 3 digit numbers. We comparing 100 place. Okay. Please copy in your class work, Amma. You have kept in mind once again nice. L4 less than, L4 less than, and another one is a greater than, less than, greater than. Now today homework. This 3 is your homework. Okay, children. All of you happy Diwali, Amma. Be careful. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.